And the Oscar goes to Marion Cotillard, La Vie en Rose.
This is the first Academy Award and nomination for Marion Cotillard.
Thank you so much. Olivier, what you did to me, Maestro Olivier Dahan, you rocked my life. You've truly rocked my life. Thank you so much to Picture House for your passion. Members of the Academy, thank you so much. And, well, I'm speechless now. I thank you, life, thank you, love. And it is true, there is some angels in this city. Thank you so much.